Alright guys, so customer complains misfire on the engine. This is a V10 2012 Ford E350 with a V10. This engine has about 400,000 miles, somewhere in there. And the customer swears he replaced the spark plugs and coils, which obviously is not the case, but this is what we find out. Obviously, these are the coils, pretty old. That's a new one. These all are from one side of the head, and I don't know if you can appreciate that, but yeah, they all look like that. What do you guys think? And like always, share, like, and subscribe. Later.